We recognize that what makes an onboarding program successful is how quickly it gets a seller to the place where they're ready to go and be successful. And every organization has an onboarding program. I think what makes this really unique and what you need to know about coming to Refinitiv is just the level of access to expertise in the business that you're going to get in a very short period of time. Over 90 days and across eight weeks of virtual training, you'll have access to over 100 experts within Refinitiv that will be able to speak to you directly on the specific areas where you need to be successful to win.
One of our mottos, as we have adopted from our Chief Revenue Officer, is that we want to be a learn-it-all culture. And so that means that we really want to ensure that we're bringing the best of breed as it relates to topics that are timely, they're relevant, that they have some value to assist our sellers in making connections to their buyers. So as in adult learning, if you will, we really want to make sure that learning doesn't stop. It's not an event. It's not just a static process, but it's a continuous objective. We're really designing a leadership development program that gives opportunity for those who want career development. And we're going to help facilitate that in terms of identification, raising their hand, making sure that they're armed with all the necessary baseline concepts, and then helping to surrogate some of the conversations that come about from there in the form of mentorship or in form of sponsorship, and then acceleration into other parts of the business.
There are aspects of those individuals that have made leadership a career here at Refinitiv that we're very aware of. And we want to create environments that allow those leaders to be able to collaborate and learn together. And so we have programs and curriculums here at Refinitiv that are ongoing in nature, that are continually drilling down into the aspects of being an effective sales leader at Refinitiv. It's a level of focus that we put a lot of emphasis on here because we know it's truly one of the hardest jobs that anyone can ever serve as being a sales leader. And it takes a lot of collaboration and best practice sharing in order to be fully successful in that role.